Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. In this video, we will learn about pronouns. We can simply define pronoun as words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. For example, Emmett is a doctor. He is very punctual. Here, we use he instead of Emmett, as his name is mentioned earlier. So, he is a pronoun. For better understanding, first of all, let's discuss point of view. In easy words, point of view is a perspective that defines who is telling or speaking. First, second and third person are the three main types of point of view. First person pronoun refers to speaker. For example, I, we. Second person pronoun means the person who is spoken to. For example, you, your. Third person pronoun means the person who is spoken about. For example, he, she, it, they. Look at this example for better understanding. Let's better understand first, second and third person pronouns in the form of chart. We can differentiate pronouns into two categories, singular and plural. I, me, my, and mine are first-person singular pronouns. We, us, our, and ours are first-person plural pronoun. You, your, and yours are used for both second-person singular and plural pronouns. He, she, it, him, her, his, her, his, hers, and its are third-person singular pronoun. They, them, their, and theirs are third-person plural pronouns. Let's discuss some examples. Underline the pronoun and tell whether it is first, second, or third-person pronoun. You have to come to my birthday party. I had forgotten my watch in the room. She has many chocolates in her pocket. They are playing tennis. It has nothing to do with you. Look at the previous examples carefully. Identify the pronouns and tell us in the comment section below. In this video, we have discussed the pronouns and types of point of view. In next video, we will learn the types of pronouns. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.